On 1st August 2023, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, had listed Shillong amongst the 10 poorest performers in terms of the Smart City project implementation. While speaking to newspersons today, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shillong, had informed that though the progress of the Smart Road project is satisfactory, yet there have been challenges in its implementation, especially as far as coordination amongst various departments is concerned, especially while identifying and relocating pipelines of the PHE department and electricity poles of the MEECL. Dhar also expressed satisfaction at the implementation and successful completion of other projects that include the Lajumkhra and the near-completed Polo Market, which is scheduled for inauguration in September this year. Further, the Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister informed that currently there are 18 ongoing projects within the city of Shillong, which have been valued at over Rs 1,000 crores.
Company ka pool implementation baru project kiat cacai yes hakwe dapat ka smart road kalau slow ma balik ka slow maybe ki refer kata kawai mar baga smart road ni ka kamkul mar ba bond department ba inline juga jadi ka PHE ka health ka MSB yes kata ka slow tamde balik ka smart city nak dawa connection pisau tu ang kerja post up sin permission ben ti gawe kayu kata tengah la update di mare ngayo sngo i tu kata runga na call meeting immediately dan ala kali de ga actually kade kata hi kandai ka yo la mukha la jan de kreatif ka pulo la jan de kreatif ila bo la jan film so mi my mask la ban ko red no tigitu giwe water master tu la more than 80% ka ICCC full swing very good progress kini parking kiwe polo ka tu kini parking jongga andeli ro tu ka full piti ka trehi te kila ban di ferry ke badai ke smart road yes kata little slow ma ka tu ada ka problem juga side situation mdai nu kontraktor le tu touch to ma ba problem ko ka PSC teng ka ba like MCL ko bisa ka tari pitip ka diga kam shifting authorities ka long challenge ni wala ka taro mutahe ka kam rakyat ang yes we face little bit problem with implementing ya ka smart road but we will do no problem kata ada ya maybe baru present ada kiwet kabiang am dati bakala bandain maka tu apa ginala ro kadon ki post lai ro kadon penhe so kadon ban dismantle footpath ko maka bon di komponen to ka bon di komponen dan dari komun swaba ka freelance kontraktor kanon sistem ada ba ada mesin tu takala bandai ki refer ya kan ni ke wono da kata kan am typically nga sang tip sino maka ek khap ke gele to am tip ma kamut baik ka kamut re ka tu smaro ka cover bro municipal area na ta 6 km another 12 km is left you know very well but those confession la drop mana iba kain la jor pala se tu la drop ane ta fast fish fun na hande kamut re ni ka smaro ka bro municipal kan ni ka fast 6 km kan ni ka second ban kadai tu la drop no mada ke disimulation ma ba i nipek ngala kulmar plat batangan ki fases kampo ya like le kai pasal pa ba kata ka daw nirap propose ini parking ba ker ko mobility bi try hani last kabin ne perkhali ban sim ni unutilize dan from different alkel more parking that is best for our